Me never trouble none of them female here in the business. And them always do something to me. And when me answer, when you talk, say me a bully. When you come out and say, oh, I'll make it look like me the angry black woman. You provoke me all the while. And through me rank on and through me face down and when me answer back and say it at you know. And that uno trouble me. Where have I ever been the cause of any one of them problem here where me have with any other female artist? Never. Never. Una try to brand me as the angry black woman. The whole una try to brand me as the bully. And me, Grace Hamilton, has never ever come out and trouble any one of them female here. None of them, not one of them. So let's go back in our history. I'm going to take out lady side outright. And the reason why I'm going to take out lady side outright, I see when I try to drag her in night and ray. I'm not ramp with God. I'm a serious woman when it comes on to my God. I'm not ramp with God people. I'm not ramp with God angel. I'm not have nothing bad at all to say about her. I mean, say enough to tell lie. Bear no false witness. Angel say, me beg her for the song. And at the only time that me go call her name because of that she want. I mean, I want you to feel like when she come back, come talk, and when she sing 40, 50 songs, I go answer, because I not go answer you, because I realize, say, you do this to get a hype, and you want the clout, and you love it. So yes, when me don't explain myself to my fans, them, me now go back and forth with you. So if you feel like I eat this now, and you're there, you celebrate the spice, I go bust you, now go at me, I go get up and walk. You are going to get up and walk feet, just like how me work. Yeah? So now when I feel like me and you, I go in and a back and forth. You say, me beg you for do a song. Me depend, you call your sister Jackie name and say, me did have Jackie number and me I want my phone because I have two phones. This is the first time you're coming on my DM. Want to say, I want to look on the date. Somebody type the date if you can't see the date when she come in and type what she say. Because she say, me for link Jackie. Spice, link up Jackie. I want to read it properly. And that's a 2016. I want to type if you can see what I talk about. I want to type it if you read it. And if you can't see what I talk about. Did you not read it a while ago? You looking at the DM? Turn around the phone. Alright, hold on. Them say me turn around the phone. Or how you turn around the phone? Okay. Jesus, let me flip it. Hold on. Yeah, turn the camera. Alright, me flip it. If you don't see the receipt, I want to type it. Type the date. It said the 14th of October 2016. I want to see when you type it. Spice, link up Jackie, which is our sister. If you don't see it, you type it. I not stop the camera too long on her name. Okay, them say yes, we did. Let me flip back around the camera. Let me flip back around the camera. I not to stop the camera too long on her Instagram name because a couple followers she want and she not going to get it today. Yeah. You coming on my DM in 2016 and tell me, say, if you link up your sister. Your sister when named Jackie. 14th of October 2016 in my DM. I remember you talking on your page. Say, me, you have your sister number and I run you down for the collaboration. And that's how it start from. Alright, me end that chapter there. 2016, I record something like it in 2014. It never bust until 2015. So the rave when I ride for something like it at 2015 and 2016, it was the biggest peak in my career. And the most me ever travel. So I was at my highest point in my career. Why would I hunt you down when nothing ever that going for you for do a collaboration? Why would me be the one to beg you for do a collaboration? Why? Somebody type the date, the October 14, 2016. So I want to see that. And that's how it starts from. You coming on my DM and tell me if you link up your sister. And your sister, me not have nothing bad to say about Jackie because a good woman. Because she always there on my case. And I beg me for you. She always there on my case and I pray and I talk about her God. And I say, yeah man, give Angel the song, mama. So your sister is a good woman. But it's you make the link. You make the link. I'm just show my receipt. I'm finish up right there, so. You say, listening now. You say, my body butched. I'm sorry when you go down at the sea never open up and take you in for all of the lie where you go down there go tell. Because you take your own same out and come back and talk about my body butch. But you don't remember, say, I'm same butch body me take and put in a video for stand up beside you. When you come a ball to me and I tell me, say, remember you coming out to the, come to me for do the song, you know. I remember, you know, you say, oh, Zoom them I go video it and ask them and comfort and you're excited and you're going. I remember you come to me, come ball and tell me, say, you know, sister, I curvy diva alone, Zoom a push. You know, sister, him not do this and that. I'm say to you, I look on you and say to you, say, Angel, don't worry yourself, our song. So make we video it and me take up me $200,000. Me take up me $200,000 and give you. And take me same butch body and come stand upside of you in a video. And me tell you, say, don't worry yourself, Angel. Don't worry about Zoom and who him a push and who that. Don't worry about people. Say $200,000, yeah. Remember, me not left it. Remember when me attack, me not let it go. I have my hand in the 10 commandments, Exodus 20 verse 16, say no bear no false witness against your neighbor. Me not tell no lie upon you. Me take out me $200,000 and give you. And tell you, say, come make a video and do a video yourself. Now worry about Zoom and who him a push, because you ball upon me about a curvy diva, alone Zoom a PMI. I remember you did go to Zoom, you know. Remember Zoom get one half of you too, you know. Yeah. And you come and complain to me about a Yannick him a deal with now and rare. And I me take out me $200,000 cash and give you. And say, me will shoot the video. I go show a next receipt. And me I do it nice and calm because I don't say me a bully. No worries. I want to see right here, so. I fix up this properly. 6 million views. Right? Spice Official YouTube. How much you know see this? So 6 million views it have. It have 6 million views. Me I go up on your page where me screenshot. DAngel Vivo. Hold on no man. Wanna see right here so? 100,000 views. Me put up the video if you get 6 million views and you look on your own page. You get 134,000 views. Me get 6 million views on the video and when me look over your page you get 100,000 views. But me I go take it down. Me I take it down off of my Vivo page and me want you take it down too and me I go see if you go use shame face and still walk and perform it and laugh and go on like say. The bad guy Spice. And me a this and me a that and ask and comfort. Stop perform, no worries. Or if you stop performing, them not go book you. I can remember the one song you have where ever get a M beside it. You don't have no song where have no millions of views. Me go up and strong and me go through the whole of them. You never get 6 million views yet. But these are the thanks for me get. But that happened to me because them did warn me, say you hate me from long time. And me no fi do no song with you. But you no pressure me fi do song and then you turn around and hype and I take it and a clout and a rub lime. But remember, your mother did tell about lime and tell us if you go walk over you down and see. But your mother never tell us say the Lord a go cut off all lying and deceitful tongue. Your mother did forgot to tell you that.
Spice, big one Andre. You don't have to call no artist name. You don't have to call no artist name. Hey, come on,
them voice note here where me I go play. Me I play the voice note them from you. Oh, everything starts. The first thing you chat behind my back. You say me no want to do no show with you. From we do the song, me no do no show with you. Which is true. Because before the song and without the song, me did already book out. Me did already have my shows. Me already have my dates. And you walk at top, but me no want to do no song with you. You call me.
Spice, remember I see money me did link about and we want you for one show? With me and you, you link me again. See? For one of them there. Yeah, you still want the show, you know, for one of them there. So let me know if you're available.
And then voice note when I play more explain to it too now. You keep on a call me every day for sure. And then when you don't get me, if we go up on the show with you, you're vexed. And I explain to you, say, I book me book out.
Spice, remember I see money me did link about and we want you for one show? With me and you, he link me again. See? For one of them there. Yeah, him still want the show, you know, for one of them there. So let me know if you're available and if your price still. Spice, they go on ads there. You don't have to call the artist name. You don't have to call the artist name. Ay, come do that one call a just brand name there. So just give me one ad because me for my birthday and all these things. And you're sorry now go there about your show, you send the love and all these things. Yeah. I'm gonna send you ads earlier. I'm gonna send you a message earlier. Read one date. So let me know when you get the message. I realize I'm gonna see it on WhatsApp. So yeah, you know, say I travel. Miss World Star Spice. Quick and thanks for the ads, Miss Spice World Star. Remember we check your availability for them date there. See? I want to lock off a date here, quick and fast. Remember me ads. Sure. Remember me ads no man? I don't have much time for promoting your ad. I need your ads. You see me? People them sorry. Everything me I do, everybody asks for you. Everything me I do, never ask for you. Everywhere we go, everybody asks for your Spice. No sir. like we are package I know. Everywhere we go, never ask.
You see a word the way you use? It's the first thing you hate me for. Because you wanted us to become a package. And it couldn't work out because my schedule was already crazy and I did already book. So you didn't want it to be a package. And the truth is, it's not like I wouldn't want to do a show with you. But every time you call me for a show, I already book. And that was the truth. I already book.
For you. Everywhere I get, I walk in peace. DAngel, Spice. Alright, oh. I want about the same time.
So one next show you call me for again. This is our next voice note you call me for one next show again. The truth is every time you call me for do this package thing with you, I'm not available.
Last time I ever call out 2 girls to me son. DAngel, Spice. Spice, you are going now. Are you alone? I can't call 9 man in here. Party.
Hold on there. Because I want to listen properly. You did want me to do your birthday. I'm never available. I make sure to turn on the flyer because your birthday was the 1st of April. And I was booked for this show and you never believe me. Sunday the 1st of April, them time me and Ding Dang there in England. And you did want me to do your birthday party. The same birthday where your husband sight from you. When you bend over and I try wine pan him and him sight. When him do sight and wine, yeah. And you vex. Because I keep on explain to you, say my book and you don't believe me. You send me this after your birthday.
Nah, lie, people them turn out. But we did have some technical difficulty and like go about 1 hour, you know man. Stress you out and then we have a lock off time. So we like go for about 1 hour prior to the show for lock off. And it's still come turn off the party. So that the kind of damper that, you know, so the patrons never really get where them forget. You understand? So when me a rock fire with you now, you're only somebody who can do this for me. Go and drop back something in the club down at Mandeville. Anytime in April, like anytime in any day where you can give me. Go and drop back something in Mandeville. Club James, that me I would have down there now. Go and drop back something down there. And me I beg you a date. Even no matter which month, I mean my birthday gift that for you. Me I beg you a date in there. And people them ask for you bad to let me do it now. But why me I do it? But because
me and you couldn't be a do it because every time you call me for this show, I was booked. And that's the first thing you chat behind my back, say me don't want to do no show with you and me not perform. But I want the people them listen.
I beg you a date. Any date in April, any dates come and just give me half an hour and that would be the gift for a lifetime gift for you. You understand? Rate you. I know you're a big top actor, you're worth millions, but me, I beg you a date. In April, in May, in June, in July, August, September, October, December. Anyone.
Listen.
Pick one day, give me. Thank you in advance. Love you, girl. Spice.
What she say? Let me play it back to the end. Come on, when someone have a friend on the ear. Love you. Listen. Don't listen.
I know you're worth millions, but me, I beg you a date. In April, in May, in June, in July, August, September, October, December. Anyone. Pick one day, give me. Thank you in advance. Love you, girl. Spice.
What she say? Love you, girl. Watch on your friends. Me need to start playing. Mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl. But I know I would learn the hard way. Smiling at your face, them a chat behind your back. Go on like them a sheep, but them a wolf in a pack. Now make them will a weed with lizard tail and give you crack. If walls could have talked to me, trust me, you'd have shock. Hey, say them love you, don't fall for that. Me never available for the date them. And you start chat say, me no want to do no show with you when the truth is I was booked. And you want we become a package and we couldn't become no package because me already booked. But me gonna leave you so because you see some of other people, you know what me know? You don't care what me do and you don't care what me say, you don't hate me already. You don't hate me already, so I go all when the proof in on the face. All when you see say I me trouble them, you still go say me are the bad person. Because you paint the picture like me are the angry black woman all the time. Like I'm me are the bad guy. And before me end it, me I go tell you now again. Me I give away $1 million cash to anybody who can prove. Say any one of them female who in the business, and me first trouble them. And if you can prove says me first trouble them, me I give you $1 million cash. All I know we I dig up past and I dig up this and I dig up this a person and I put. Why you not dig up the good? You not dig up the bad. Oh, me a lady saw end on a bad notice and I wanna cause it. But you know not dig up the good part of it. Go in at the star, go dig up back when she say anything. Oh, she for pass down her crown. A spy should have passed it down to. Go dig up them good things there. Go dig up the good performance. When I me and her alone I perform on stage show as female together. Dig up that now. Why you not dig up the good? You don't want to dig up the bad because you don't want to paint the picture say me is this bad person and me are the bad guy and me are the angry black woman and I always a trouble me and I always a provoke me to rat. I'm going to leave it here so. And I'm going to follow my fans them advice because my fans say me feel low no, so I'm going to low no. Yeah? I'm going to leave you know, I'm going to leave you know to the same God we want to claim say we not talk about. Because I one thing me know, God stay high and him look low. I don't know what man say or what God say. And all of you know we a bash me and I say me a bully and I say me a this and I say me a that. And one thing me know, me remember what I do to Jesus Christ himself. And me rather be wrong in the sight of everyone and be right in the sight of God. As long as me right in the sight of God, me alright and me at peace with myself. And that's why me just a watch you know. Because me at peace with myself. All of my fans, me love you know. Me love you know like life. And I know me a fight. Me tell you know where me a come from already. 1 board house, 5 away, 1 bed, 1 pair of shoes. So me never start with nothing. So me now go tell you no say, which part me there right now, me fight for reach it. So when you feel like you not fight against me, you not fight a losing battle. Because I got me used to fight my war and I gotta fight with you know. All you king mix up this and I put up this and I try bring me down and I drag me down and I put up the bad. Why you don't dig up the good? Dig up the good. My fans, me love you know. Me now go back and forth. Me a keep push. Me a deal with. So me go leave you. Somebody feel like me go answer you and me a come back forth and you do this for the clout. Me nah look back. Me I come from too far. I don't want no poverty again. So you I go continue the way you do. And me I go left you to Father God above. Because him stay high and look low. And like me say, me I go post where it start from right now. Although me I go mark out your name. Because me know you want the 2 little followers, you know. Me know you want the 2 little followers. And me I go take down no worries off of my page right now. The 6 million views where it get, where it make your tour, 100,000 you get on your page. Me I go take it down right now. I'm gonna ask you, like how me tell the boy, say do me a favor, I want you to do me a favor. No perform back his song. No call back his name. Me I go take it out and erase. Remember that wicked woman here? Erase me out of your life. Just act like me and you never do nothing. And leave it at that. Yeah? Fans? Spice love you know. I wanna go journey with me and live to see me tell the story of everything when I go through and the fight when I get. Because I know I see the comment them, I know I see them a bash me, I know I see them a bring me down, I know I see them a try paint a picture with me, say me a the bad person, I know I try, you know, to make it look like I'm me a the bad guy, but me go left it here so. Me love you know, yeah? 2019, set them goal, set them dream, they go feet. Love on like life. Bingeling!